not until the next round. When your boss calls you into their office.
Jump, dude. Oh, sorry. What? Gosh.
That friend who can eat whatever they want without gaining an ounce while you're stuck on an endless diet. When you've gone 20 minutes without feeding your cat, I don't buy into the paranormal, but with him around, you're guaranteed to never have a boring day.
What's this?
What's this? What have you done?
What's this?
What have you done? You're naughty.
Where are you going?
Shame.
Betty? What's this?
That's a classic walk of shame right there.
You're naughty.
What's this?
Feel shame, baby.
Good enough.
The dog was pretty surprised by the new toy, but there's one family member who's even more shocked. Who wouldn't want a masseur like this? That friend who always messes up your pictures. The worst part is, it's got endless ammo. When you get a dental cleaning with a discount. We've all had those post-nap moments. You don't need to be a detective to figure out who did it.
I have
not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Come on, Boo-Boo, finish your breakfast. Oh!
Hit that like button if you've ever felt like this after eating too much. Strategy isn't his strong suit. Any call center would hire him on the spot based on his photo alone.
That fingernail from me. Here, get that fingernail, please. That's a good boy, thank you.
If you've been considering a career change but don't know where to start, why not become a panda keeper?
No!
Ready, watch this. Watch how they slide, Mom. It's so
The driving force behind evolution is natural selection. Meanwhile, apes.
They literally slid!
This dog just went with the flow. When you want to flex your new kicks. Not even a chopped onion can stop this cat from stealing something tasty from the kitchen. Any more training and he'll be the toughest dog on the block. These dogs are making the most of their playtime since VR isn't a thing for them yet. With a cat like this helping you train, getting in shape is a piece of cake. Thanks to his attentiveness, this good boy technically did fetch the ball. The crime was pretty brazen. Same goes for the punishment.
Tocando esta miércoles. Usted lo tocó, usted lo limpia, cabroncito. Vuelve a hacer eso, a ver, ajá. A lavar los toiles lo voy a poner. Espérate, le faltan estos pedacitos, no joda, yo no voy a levantar nada. Pedacito por pedacito, cabrón. Espérese. Mire.
This tenant isn't a fan of unexpected visitors dropping by. Whee! Allergy sufferers can relate when spring rolls around. Judging by this reaction, one of the cats is in trouble. When the delivery guy can't resist taking a bite of your order.
Daisy.
When your pet brings their buddies over for a sleepover.
No, 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 Luna, Luna, no! Just, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Luna, get it! Oh my God, Luna, get the thing, Luna!
Let's go. Let's go.
Most people take off their clothes like this after a hard week at work. That's why Pinocchio never had a dog. If you've never been a fan of otters, now's the time to change that. Looks like someone's having an awesome holiday. Pickup lessons paid off. It's time to find a real mate. That guy who's always telling everyone else how to do things, but who never does anything himself. Best alarm clock ever. It's heartwarming to see people going the extra mile for their adorable pets.
En el campo me encuentro con el ingeniero que anda viendo si la cola de la máquina tiró trigo y eso. Chao, ingeniero. Chao, chao.
Oh, by the way, this dog even knows how to drive manual. This house has the most reliable security system ever. Give this hard-working dog a like for trying to earn his keep.
When will you learn to stop going up there? Mommy's gotta come save you now. Alright, I'm gonna come save
you. He's got his own Jurassic Park set up at home. Manicure trends have reached a whole new level. If this video doesn't convince you to adopt a dog, nothing will. Now you can officially say you've seen it all.
Oh my god.
Today?
He's definitely watched his fair share of true crime shows, so he knows the drill during interrogations.
Dude. I cleaned the entire bathroom yesterday. I forgot to empty the trash. Did I forget to empty the trash, Murphy? I think I forgot to empty the trash. I thought you were gonna have a nice clean house to go into. It was nice and clean. I just forgot to empty the trash. Thanks for letting me know that I forgot to empty the trash. Murphy!
He's sweet. I know. You want her to play with you so bad.
This guest is the life of any party. How clean are the windows in this house if this dog didn't notice the door was open?
It's open. It's open. What are you doing? Thor.
Even piranhas would tell him to chill out. I'm not sure what happened here, but this is what it looks like when someone's really judgmental. Modern race cars can reach speeds of 211 miles per hour. But this dog's even faster.
Baby?
Oh, it's... No! 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 Stop! He's biting me!
Seems like the camel enjoys food more when it's seasoned with someone's screams. What happens after you tell your therapist you prefer simple solutions to problems? At first, the neighborhood dogs teased him until they realized only 2 of his paws got cold. He's definitely gonna win his next agility competition. I'm not superstitious, but I would switch up my usual route to work after this.
April Fools.
Don't forget to share this video with that friend who's always hungry.
Sorry.
That dog walks like a cartoon character. The tiniest yet fiercest panther ever. We found the life of all parties in this neighborhood. They've wandered onto the wrong golf course. This little diver was lucky to have their owner nearby.
Broski. Hell yeah, broski! Shake and bake! Shake and bake! Yeah, baby!
We all need to take a moment and think about life sometimes.